Hey, it's Rick. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use a screen printer's tension meter. Screen tension is important because if it's too low, the mesh will move around and the off-contact setting will be impossible to maintain. And all of this will result in a poor quality print. This is just a cheap one from Amazon. When the plunger on the bottom is pressed, it causes the needles on the front to move, giving you a reading in newtons per square centimeter. There's a large needle and a small one. The small one increments by 1 for every time the large needle makes one complete rotation past its largest reading, which on this one is 36. The kit also contains a piece of thick glass for verification. These devices have no means of adjusting or calibrating them. They're set at the factory. To verify that it's reading correctly, simply put it down on the piece of glass. The small needle should read right around 2, and the large needle should come up to around the triangle at the top. If this reading is far off, something's wrong with it, and it shouldn't be trusted for testing screens. Screen tension will lessen over time as the polyester mesh stretches, so it's good to have one of these to verify if your screens are to blame when you have printing issues. I'll start by putting this screen shirt side up on a flat table, and then placing the tension meter in the center of the screen. You shouldn't check screens that are already coated with emulsion, as that will throw off your reading. If you test towards the edges of the mesh, you'll notice you get a higher reading. This is normal as tension is higher nearer to where the mesh is glued to the frame. This is the reason why screen printers don't use that part of the screen for printing. If you need a larger print area, it's advisable to get the screen that's the next size up. Keep your eye on both the small needle as well as the large one. The small one needs to come up to at least 2 to indicate the large dial has gone around twice. If the small needle is 1 or less, it means you're not even in the right ballpark. I've bought new screens that were that bad. You can see that this screen reads about 26, which is good. From the info I've found, anything under 15 is unacceptable. Most of the screens I buy new are around 22. Some of the fancier adjustable screens can get into the 30s. Well, that's it for this one. There's not much else to say about these simple devices. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit all the buttons on your way out, and thanks for watching.